Hello and welcome back to our channel. Present continuous, I am doing, is intensively used in dialogues, in conversations, to describe what you see here and now. It is also called present progressive because the speaker looks at the action closely and watches how it develops or progresses. Look, it is raining so hard. It is thundering, it is pouring. We use continuous because we are looking at it now. The rain is in progress. But if you want to describe a climate, we will use simple tense. This is England. It often rains here. It often rains. Present simple. I like its other name, present indefinite, more because it reflects the nature of this tense better. The time of the action, raining in this case, is indefinite. When does it rain? From time to time, we cannot say exactly. Sometimes every day, sometimes once a week. Looking at this scene, you can exclaim, "The tram is coming, come quick." It is coming now, don't miss it. When we look at the timetable of the tram, which shows periodicity of the regular service, we use present simple. The train goes every 7 or 10 minutes. This is the working schedule of a shop. It shows when it works and when it doesn't work. It closes at 5 and opens at 8:30 every Monday, every Tuesday, and so on. Now, at this particular moment, the shop is working and some man is looking at the shop window. Can you see this policeman? He is standing and looking at the cars. He is standing. Can we say about this statue that it is standing? No. Saying it is standing, you mean that it is standing here only at this moment. If you look aside for a second, it will go to the nearest cafe, which is definitely not possible. So the policeman is standing, but he will leave in a moment. Present continuous means a temporary action. The statue stands here. It was here yesterday and 20 years ago, and it will be here many more years. It's a permanent action. That is why the statue stands here. This boy also stands here for some unknown reason. He stands permanently. He doesn't look happy, but he cannot say, "I am tired, now I will leave and have a rest." He stands, present simple. This nice girl is standing in the street. This is just one moment from her life that we have caught. She will leave and take her dog home in a few seconds, but at this moment she is standing, present continuous. The bee is flying around the flower and is choosing a place to land, present continuous. Bees make honey, not at this moment, but generally, present simple. Okay, this has been the main concept of the difference between present continuous and present simple. There are also some important details to discuss. One of them is that there are some verbs that are not used in continuous tense, present, past, or future. These are words of mental activity and some others. But this is another story. We will discuss it in the next part of our video. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for being with us and see you again next time.